Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Algorithms. This video we see soft computing MCQ for RGPP online exam 2020. If you have not seen my previous video, so please first you seen my previous video, unit 1 MCQ and unit 2 MCQ. So let's go for unit 3 fuzzy systems. So start. The first question is the fuzziness means the option is here vagueness, and second one is clear, and third one is precise, and fourth one is certainty. So the correct option is option number 1, vagueness. So option number 1 is correct answer. And let's go for question number 2. So question number 2 is the blanks are pictorial representation to denote a set. So option is available. First one is flow chart, and second one is Venn diagram, and third one is DFD, data flow diagram, and fourth one is ER diagram, entity relationship diagram. So the correct answer is option number B, Venn diagram. This is the correct answer of second number question. So let's go for question number 3. So question number 3 is the number of element is a set is called is. So option is modality, plasticity, and cardinality, and last one is elasticity. So correct answer is option number C. So cardinality is the correct answer of question number 3. So let's go for question number 4. A set with a single element is called. So first option is single set, and second option is singleton set, and third option is one set, and last option is none. So correct answer is option number B, singleton set. So correct answer of option number B, singleton set. And let's go for question number 5. This is the right option of question number A. So let's go for question number 5. So question number 5 is a blank of a set A is the set of all possible subsets that are derivables from a including null set. So option is power set, second one is empower set, and third one is relational set, and last one is irrelational set. So correct answer is option number A. So power set. Power set is the correct answer of the question number 5th. So let's go for question number 6. So question number 6, the membership function of fuzzy set not always be described by. So option is continuous, second is discrete, and third one is crisp, and fourth one is specifics. So correct answer is option number B, discrete. This is the correct answer of this question. Let's go for question number 7. Question number 7 is fuzzy relation is a fuzzy set defined on the Cartesian product of. So option is first one is single set, second one is crisp set, and third one is union set, and fourth one is intersection set. So right answer is question option number B, crisp set. This is the correct answer of this question. Let's go for question number 8. Question number 8 is raising a fuzzy set to its second power is called. So option is concentration, intersection, conjunction, disjunction. So correct answer is option number A, concentration. Concentration is a correct answer of this question. Let's go for question number 9. So question number 9 is taking a square root of fuzzy set is called? So option number one. Option number one is dilemma, and second one is dual, and third one is dilemma, and fourth one is none. So correct answer is option number B, dual. This is the correct answer of this question. Let's go for question number 10. Question number 10 is fuzzy relation associates blank to a varying degree of membership. So question option is first one is records, and second one is tuple, and third one is fields, and last one is none. So correct answer is option number B, tuple. This is the correct answer of this question. Let's go for question number 11. So question number 11, in case of operator, the proposition occurring before the arrow symbol is called? So first one is antecedent, and second one is consequent, and third one is conjunction, and last one is disjunction. So correct answer is option number 1, antecedent. This is the correct answer of 11 question. Let's go for question number 12. So question number 12 is a truth table comprises row known as. So given option is interpretations, contradiction, and third one is conjunction, and last one is disjunction. So correct answer of this question A, option number A, interpretations. This is the correct answer of this question. Let's go for question number 13. So question number 13 is a formula which has all its interpretations recording true is known as a. So first option is disjunction, second option is conjunction, and third option is tautology, and last option is antecedent. So correct answer is option number C, tautology. This is the correct answer of question number 13. Let's go for question number 14. So question number 14 is in propositional logic blank widely used for inferring facts. So option is available Pons, and second one is modus, and third one is modus Pons, and last one is Pons. So correct answer is option number C, modus Pons. This is the correct answer of this question. Let's go for question number 15. So question number 15 is represent objects that do not change value. So question option number 1 constants, option number B variables, and option number C predicts, and last one is subject. So correct answer of option number 1, constants. This is the correct answer of question number 15. Let's go for question number 16. So question number 16 is the blank space are representative of associations between objects that are constants or variables and acquire truth values. So options are available is here. First one is subject, second one is predicate, and third one is quantifier, and fourth one is function. So right answer is question number option number A, subject. This is the right answer of this question. Let's go for question number 17. So question number 17 is a blank space truth value are multi-valued. So available option is first one is Scripps logic, and second one is Boolean logic, and third one is fuzzy logic, and last one is none. So correct answer is option number C, fuzzy logic. This is the correct answer of this question. Let's go for question number 18. So question number 18 is a fuzzy logic propositions are also quantified by. So available option is first one is fuzzy, and second one is fuzzy qualifies, and third one is fuzzy quantifies, and last one is none. So correct answer is option number C, fuzzy quantifies. This is the correct answer of question number 18. So let's go for question number 19. So question number 19 is fuzzy inference, also referred to as. So available option is, first one is approximate reasoning, and one is reasoning, and third one is fixed reasoning, and last one is none. So correct answer is option number A, approximate reasoning. This is the correct answer of question number 19. And let's go for question number 20. So question number 20 is a conversion of a fuzzy set to single crypts value is called. So first option is a fuzzy functions or fuzzy fiction, and second one is d fuzzy function, and third one is fuzzy logic, and last one is fuzzy rule. So correct answer is option number A, fuzzy fiction. And let's go for question number 21. So question number 21 is blank space obtains center of area occupied by the fuzzy side. So first option is center, and second one is center of gravity, and third one is center of area, and last one is center point. So correct answer of this question, option number B, center of gravity. This is the correct answer of this question. So let's go for question number 22. So question number 22 is the blank is the arithmetic average of mean values of the intervals. So option are available is here. First one is mean, and second one is mean of maxima, and third one is maximum, and last one is mean interval. So correct answer of this question option number B, mean of the maxima. So let's go for question number 23. So question number is 23 is the blank space are obtained by computing the minimum of the membership function of the antecedent. So option is available is here. First one is rule base, and second one is rule strength, and fourth one is rules, and last one is done. So correct answer is option number A, rule base. This is the correct answer of question number 23. Let's go for question number 24. So question number 24 is relative quantifiers are defined as. So option number 1 0 to 10, and option number B 0 to 1, and option number C is 0, and last one is 1. So correct answer is option number B, 0 to 1. This is the correct answer of this question. Let's go for question number 25. So question number 25 is a fuzzy curious controller has blank space inputs. So correct answer is question number option number A, 2. 2 is the correct answer of this fill in the blanks. So guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share, and thanks for watching.